Today we are assembling a HyperFly Cloud. This is the small version, and the first thing you want to do is have all of your parts in front of you. Each HyperFly Cloud comes with a HyperFly Cloud kit. It has 3 cables, 3 connecting joiners that connect to the cloud, and then 1 3-way splitter that connects to the product. So here are your 30 fins. Here are your 2 center parts. You're going to want to start with the part with the holes in it. Take your kit, open your kit, remove these pieces from the kit. So these are what you're looking for, and there's 3 of them. So from the bottom, you take this through here, you take this, screw that on. So again, through here, screw on. So that's your first step. Second step, you want to take the smaller part, place it underneath, place this on top. Then you want your fins. You start with 1 fin. The larger is up. So smaller, down. So larger slot, in. Smaller slot, smaller slot. So you start with your first fin here. Slide it in. Slide it in. So then you go all the way around. As you slide them in, you want to make sure this line is even. So if you notice that one's not all the way in, push it in, make the line even. So the cloud is assembled, but the last thing you need to do is put wires in these grip locks. You take the rest of your kit out. The first thing you want to do is lay out your wires. Take this small piece with the 3 holes. The ball goes in, so the string goes in with the ball facing outwards. So you want to pull it in and then finish with the next 3. So cut edges. The balls are in to lock the cables in place. You're going to want to take this part, screw it in this way, and then this part, with the hole on top, screw it in here. This section here is for you to attach your provided aircraft cables for your particular ceiling. They'll go in this way and then connect to a hook on the ceiling. The final step is you want to take the 3-way cloud thing. Take the first one, slide it in the gripper. Make sure your cables aren't twisted. Slide it in the next one. Again. And then your cloud is finished.